Fusion 360 is a powerful all-in-one CAD and CAM software that lets you design, modify, and manage your entire product development process in one place. Hi, and welcome to this quick introduction to Fusion 360. According to Autodesk, Fusion 360 is an integrated, cloud-based CAD and CAM platform that connects the entire product development cycle into a single package. In simple terms, it's a tool that allows you to design parts, assemblies, and prepare them for manufacturing, all inside one application. Fusion 360 works exactly the same on both Windows and Mac. The user interface and file format are identical, which means you can start a project on one operating system and continue working on it on another without any issues. This makes collaboration and file sharing much easier. Because Fusion 360 is a cloud-based application, it receives frequent updates. These updates often include new features and user interface changes. So while my interface may look slightly different from yours, the core concepts stay the same. By default, when you create and save a file in Fusion 360, it's saved to the Fusion 360 cloud. You can access your files directly inside Fusion or through your web browser. To see your files, open the Data panel in the top left corner. Here you will find all your projects, folders, and designs. Fusion 360 organizes files using projects. You can create a new project, give it a name, and store all related designs, sketches, and assembles inside it, similar to folders on your local computer. There is also a recent data section where you can quickly access files you have worked on recently. When you work on a file and click Save, Fusion automatically creates a new version in the cloud. This means you always have access to previous version of your design. If you prefer, you can also save files locally. To do that, go to File, Export, and export the file in the F3D format or another supported format to your local or network drive. Any file saved in the cloud can also be opened in your web browser. From there you can view the model, check version history, measure dimensions, and even share the file with others. You can generate a shareable link, allow downloads, or protect the file with a password, which is great for a collaboration or presenting in designs. Even though Fusion 360 uses cloud features, it's still a desktop application installed on your computer. It runs smoothly without browser limitations, while still giving you the benefits of cloud storage and sharing. So this was a quick introduction to Fusion 360, what it is, how it works, and how files are managed. Now you have a solid overview of the software before we dive deeper into the interface and tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!